And hey, well, this is Francisco from Wondershare, Dr.Fone. And if you have an iPhone or iPad with MDM restrictions on it, then you're probably looking for a way to get rid of that. And so in today's video, we're going to be talking about a few methods of bypassing MDM on your iPhone and iPad without even needing to jailbreak it whatsoever. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Make sure to give us a like if you like this video and comment any of your questions down below as we move forward with this tutorial. And also don't forget to share this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more content just like this moving forward. Now let's get right into it. So first things first, why would you want to bypass MDM profile on your device? So just before circumventing the protocol, you should know some facts beforehand. You see, Apple Inc. encourages organizations to use the feature because it does help simplify and coordinate their tasks quite readily. And like for instance, admin personnel in a company can remotely push apps, security, and Bluetooth settings onto your device. And other things that they can do include also pushing hotspot modification, notification settings, screenshots, and wallpapers. And looking at it ethically, they use it to track their staffers' activities in coordinated efforts to keep them productive at work or safeguard the company's confidential information. Indeed, this may not matter to you if you love your job and just want to give it your very best. But nevertheless, your narrative is likely to change the moment that you quit the job or leave that school if it does end up happening. And at that time, you may be worried sick that your previous employer is tracking your activities or limiting what you do with your personal smartphone. So similarly, you may have a second-hand iDevice that came from the last user with pre-installed MDM features. And the implication here is that the cell phone will have several restrictions. And the moment that you have to deal with any of these challenges, you will want to bypass or get rid of that protocol. So with that said, let's get into method number 1. Oftentimes, people buy second-hand smartphones without knowing whether their iDevice has that restriction or not. And while you will have access to several built-in features, your cell phone will be terribly limited if the previous user activated the MDM lock. And to find out, you can ask the seller, of course, if the MDM profile is still running on that device. So go to Settings and scroll down to the iDevice, and then you're going to get onto the General tab, and then just go ahead and click on there. And the final step is just to go ahead and tap on About from here. And if the previous user activated the lock, you're going to see a message informing you that the restriction is on. Additionally, you will see that the name of the administrator monitoring the device is going to be right there too. So go ahead and make your way to Settings, and once you get there, just go ahead and scroll down to General and open it. And then make your way to Profile and Device Management. And the moment that you get there, go ahead and tap right on it. Here you have to tap the profile in order to see all of those details. And now as for method number 2, you may think that when you reset your iPhone, you can just bypass the protocol. And guess what? You're only chasing shadows. In fact, you need the actual credentials to circumvent that restriction. However, with Dr.Fone Screen Unlock for iOS, MDM Bypass tool, you can actually bypass that restriction even when you don't have the passcode. So sure, the latest version of Wondershare's Dr.Fone is going to help you circumvent the feature without the password. You are already excited, aren't you, since you don't really need a password after all. And you should be. So let's go ahead and dive right into those steps. So first things first, I just go over to Dr.Fone's website and then go ahead and download the software onto your PC and install and launch it on your PC. And the installation process often takes just a couple of seconds. It is going to be pretty quick. And go ahead and plug in your iPhone onto your PC as well. To circumvent the lock from here, you have to just go ahead and choose the bypass MDM from the two options given as shown below. And then go to bypass mobile device management. And then click on start in order to bypass. And then you have to wait for a little while for the app to go ahead and verify it for you. At this point, you're going to see a message informing you that you have finally successfully bypassed the MDM profile on your mobile device. And by the way, here are going to be some advantages and disadvantages of using the Dr.Fone toolkit. So first off, you don't need to get any kind of passcode from your employer or previous user and before having full access to your smartphone. And also with this go-to software, you don't lose any kind of important files files or lose any sort of data whatsoever. And you can also use the same toolkit in order to bypass iDevices with an unknown Apple ID too. And Dr.Fone can actually help you to remove any passcodes, Touch ID, Face ID, etc. It is easy to use, so you don't really need to be an iDevice techie or anything like that in order to be able to help yourself here. And as a multi-platform toolkit, Dr.Fone does work for both Windows and Mac OS, so you do have access there. And one con that I can think of is that the free version can be pretty limited, so users do have to pay to have full access to the toolkit itself. However, I would argue that it is worth it. And that's it. Well, those have been a few methods of bypassing an MDM on your iPhone and iPad without jailbreaking your device, and some of the pros and cons as well of using Dr.Fone along the way. So make sure to leave us a like if you like this video and comment any of your questions down below. Share this video with others and subscribe for more content just like this. So until next time, enjoy.